During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially the overseas can be autumn afternoon. Highs in the upper 50s. Temperatures falling into the mid-40s in the afternoon. Chance of rain 60%. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Much cooler with lows in the mid-20s. Sunday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-40s. Sunday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. A 50% chance of rain. Lows in the mid-30s. Monday, rain likely. Highs in the mid-50s. Chance of rain 60%. Monday night, rain likely. Lows in the lower 40s. Chance of rain 70%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy. Rain likely, mainly in the morning. Highs in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 70%. Now the extended outlook for this is NOAA weather. All hazards radio station KIH 42, Covington, Kentucky. Broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. In serving Southwest, a chance of showers. The weather, Kentucky, the greater Cincinnati tri-state area. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. A cold front moving through the Ohio Valley this morning will usher in a low was 15.9. Hamilton Lock Upper was 9.8. Laura was 13.3. On the Blue River, Fredericksburg was 2.7. White Cloud was 2.2. On the Rolling Fork River, Boston was 2.8. On the Salt River, Shepherdsville was 1.7. Here are some nearby reservoir levels. Dolan River Lake was 498.0. Patoka Lake was 534.2. Taylorsville Lake was 544.3. 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time weather conditions across north central Kentucky and south central Indiana. At Louisville International, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 37 degrees, the dew point 22, and the relative humidity 54%. The wind was northwest at 17 miles an hour. Now here's the official National Weather Service forecast for southwest Ohio. Rest of today, partly cloudy late this morning, then clearing. Much cooler with highs in the upper 30s. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 20s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Gusts up to 25 miles an hour in the evening. Thursday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs around 40. West winds around 5 miles an hour, becoming south in the afternoon. Thursday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 20s. Elsewhere around the region, throughout the region, skies range from sunny to mostly sunny. It was 37 at Frankfort, 38 at Lexington, 34 at Covington, 43 at This is the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. The signal was a test of the weather radio station KIH 42 Covington, Kentucky public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. Partly cloudy. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next mostly cloudy with a 50% reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. High variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Ohio: Brown, Butler, Claremont, Clinton, Hamilton, Highland, and Warren. This is the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. 48 on Kentucky public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast of the NOAA weather radio alarm device and the emergency alert system. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Kentucky: Carroll, Franklin, Gallatin, Grant, Harrison, Henry, Pendleton, Owen, Scott, and Shelby. And in Indiana, Switzerland. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KZZ, 48 Olenton, Kentucky. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for northern Kentucky and parts of southeast Indiana. Any given location. Today, to provide the most consistent warning service possible. The warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In south central Indiana, Clark, Floyd, Harrison, Jefferson, Scott, and Washington. In north central Kentucky, Bullitt, Henry, Jefferson, Nelson, Oldham, Shelby, Spencer, and Trimble. This concludes the test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for north central Kentucky and south central Indiana.